Do you need to find out how to replace the light bulbs found at the back of your Toyota Corolla sedan, models from 2006 all the way through to 2012? Then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a Toyota Corolla sedan from 2008 and I'm going to be showing you how to replace each of the tail light bulbs found in the rear clusters. Now this is the same on both sides of the car. There is 3 bulbs in each, and that consists of the reverse lamp, the turn indicator signal, and also the dual brake and tail light. So we're going to do this job from inside the boot. So obviously we're just going to use our key or the lever inside the car, and we'll start with the ones on the tailgate, which are actually found behind this black plastic cover here. It's nice and simple to do. We're just going to get our fingers in there and pull that cover off. Then that exposes the back of this electrical connection. Now this is actually our reverse light bulb. So it's just a quarter turn, that comes straight out. And then we can just obviously replace the bulb, just making sure that we don't get our fingers all over the glass, because the oils and acids on our fingers can actually degrade the bulb. Just getting that back in. Obviously you've got to make sure the orientation lines up and you get that twisted in so it locks in, and then getting the plastic cover, returning that back in and clipping it on. Now like I say, that is the same for both sides of the tailgate, and it's slightly different for the turn signals and the dual brake and tail light bulbs. They're actually found behind this plastic cover just inside the boot here. So we're just going to push our fingers on both those tabs. That comes straight off. And now we can see the dual brake and tail light bulb over there and the turn signal bulb there. So again, just a quarter turn, and that'll allow you to actually take the bulb off. So this is our dual filament brake and tail light bulb, and it's the peanut type, the large peanut type. So once you've replaced that, obviously the same applies for your skin on the glass. And then we've got the turn signal bulb here, which is more of a bayonet fitting, so that's kind of a push fit. And then obviously getting that back in, just locking that in like that, returning our cover plate, and then there you go. That's how easy it is to replace the 3 light bulbs in a rear cluster of a Toyota Corolla sedan. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.